How to fix Viber not receiving messages. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Viber not receiving messages. So if basically someone sends you a message on Viber and you don't see it or get a notification, this video is for you. So now without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with step 1, that is to check your internet. So first off, make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak or slow connection can stop Viber from syncing messages properly. So try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi or restarting your router can be the best option. Moving forward to the step 2, that is to update Viber app. So next method is to make sure that your Viber app is up to date. So to check this, you may go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Viber. And if you see it says update, you can just go ahead and click on that update button. But if it says open, you are already on the latest version. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to restart your device. So if the problem still isn't fixed, you can try restarting your phone. Sometimes a small glitch can be solved with just a simple reboot. And with that, let's move forward to the step 4, that is to clear Viber cache and data. So if you have still no luck in fixing the Viber, you can try this. You can simply long press on the Viber icon, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on app info. And here, once you are inside the app settings, you can simply tap on clear all data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on clear data, and it will clear all the data of the app. Clearing data will restart your Viber settings, so make sure that your chats are backed up if needed. And with that, let's move forward to the step 5, that is to check app permissions. So next is to head into the permission sections inside the app info, and here make sure that all necessary permissions like storage, networks and notifications are enabled. If something is turned off, that might be blocking the messages. And with that, let's move forward to the step 6, that is to check network access. So you can go to the data uses inside the app info and then tap on network permissions and make sure that it's set to Wi-Fi or mobile data. And if it is restricted, Viber might not work properly in the background. And with that, let's move forward to the final step, that is to reinstall the Viber. If none of the steps work, the final step is to uninstall and reinstall the Viber. Sometimes the issue is caused by a corrupted file, so reinstalling gives it a clean start. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Viber not receiving messages issues. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.